Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I want to show you how to block websites on Google Chrome. So if you want to block your website, all you have to do is go to your Google Chrome browser and then go to Chrome Web Store. Alright, so once you're on this store, go head on to the search bar and search for block site. Alright, so just choose any tool. So I'm just going to select this extension, click on add to Chrome and add the extension over here. And click on go to options, and over here you have the option to block the sites. So enter any websites. So here we have this website that is already pre-done, so click on save. Alright, so now all you have to do is start session. There you go. So that is how you can block sites on Chrome. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.